Hello friends. I want to show you the easiest and most natural way to learn a foreign language, namely the method by which children learn to speak. This method consists of learning individual words, which we can later connect into simple sentences. In each lesson there are 20 words that you need to learn for the day, and so for 30 days you will learn 600 of the most used Spanish words, which will be enough for you to have a conversation at a decent level. I will give a link in the description from which you can download the words you need to learn. After you download the words, cut and fold the sheet so that on one side is the word in Spanish and on the other its meaning in English. Carry this sheet with you everywhere and read it every free minute until you learn all 20 words in Spanish without helping yourself to look at the back meaning in English. When you learn the first 20 words, print the second 20 and start learning them, but carry the first sheet with you to remind you of the previous words and so on until the last sheet. Review all the previous words to memorize them in your head. If you don't have a printer, you can write the words by hand. So let's get started. First, listen and remember the correct pronunciation of the words, and then move on to independent study.
Mesa,
Table,
silla,
chair,
puerta,
door,
ventana,
window,
libro,
book,
lámpara,
lamp,
teléfono,
telephone,
reloj,
clock,
mochila,
backpack,
llave,
key,
dentro,
inside,
fuera,
outside,
encima,
on top,
debajo,
under,
al lado,
next to,
delante,
in front of,
detrás,
behind,
entre,
between,
izquierda,
left,
derecha.
right. Now, let's make sentences with the words we've learned so far. Listen to and read the text, and try to understand it. In Spanish, all nouns have a gender.
El
Is used for masculine nouns.
libro,
The book
la
is used for feminine nouns.
mesa,
The table, if we want to say on, in, outside of something, we use
de.
of.
El libro está encima de la mesa.
The book is on top of the table.
El coche está fuera de la casa.
Car is outside the house. Important. If the noun is masculine,
De él,
is contracted to.
del.
Example.
El libro está encima del escritorio.
If the noun is feminine, we keep.
De la.
Example.
La llave está dentro de la mochila. El libro está encima de la mesa. La silla está al lado de la mesa. La puerta está a la derecha. La ventana está a la izquierda. La lámpara está dentro de la casa. El coche está fuera de la casa. El reloj está encima de la mesa. La mochila está debajo de la silla. La llave está entre el libro y el teléfono. El perro está delante de la casa. El gato está detrás de la casa. Yo tengo un teléfono. Tú tienes una mochila. Nosotros abrimos la puerta. Tú cierras la ventana. Adiós, amigo. Gracias.